Hello, this is Tom Burney for Masterlink, and thank you for taking the time to take a look at Patient Gallery, our newest cosmetic program that we have. I have personally seen how this cosmetic program can certainly change your cosmetic business at your practice, and we're very excited to show you some of the features that are built into here. This is the opening screen for Patient Gallery. This program, you'll see, is very easy to use, yet very powerful. Patient Gallery will allow you to show your patients what they might look like in the matter of minutes. Imagine being able to do before and after photos instantly. Doctor, whether you're looking to do whitening on a patient, new smile, extraction replacement, or closing a diastema, Patient Gallery is the place to do this. Okay, let's get started. Let's do their first case. Let's do some bleaching or whitening on a patient. Let's pick Mr. George here, and I'm simply going to double click on George, highlight the photo that I want to work on, and open it up in our cosmetic module. The first thing that I would do here is click on George's face, and it will blow this up so I can see what I'm doing. The first thing that I need to do is, in order to do some bleaching, is just simply draw a line around his lips, and that's simply accomplished by clicking on the mouse. I know that any of your staff should be able to do this up at the front desk, or if yourself if you'd like to, and you simply do a double click to highlight the area that we want to bleach. Now that George's teeth have been highlighted, whitening them is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Click on the bleaching brush, apply the amount of whiteness that you'd like, hit the close button, and you're done. It's that easy. Doctor, let me ask you a question. If your patients could see themselves with results like this, do you think that your whitening business would increase? And if so, by how much? Now that we've done a whitening on George here, why don't we give him a new set of veneers? Let me show you how easy that is. You would simply highlight his gum area, again like we did before. Simply touch our library, open the library up. We have a complete set of library of teeth. Should accommodate all of those. I'm just simply going to highlight one and hit open. And it is that easy to give George here a brand new smile. We have full functionality that we can set this up any way that you'd like. And let's do another before and after here. I know I just asked you what do you think your patients would think about seeing themselves with their teeth whitened. Well, let me tell you, seeing them with a brand new smile in their mouth will certainly change their idea on cosmetics. We had one of the doctor told me that they had a patient that came back 10 months later with the picture in their hand and said, please, let's get started and do something like this. So I guess I would like to ask you, what do you think that one cosmetic case like this would be worth? I gave you a good idea of how easy it is to do teeth whitening, putting in a new smile into a patient's mouth. Let me give you an idea how easy it is to do to close a diastema. Let's pick this one here. And we're going to go into the cosmetic module, and just like we did with George, we're going to blow this up a little bit. I'm going to take my tool here, and we'll get started right away. Okay, let me show you how easy it is to close this diastema. The first thing you need to do is just simply touch the highlighting tool. Once you have touched the highlighting tool, draw a box around the tooth that you want to work with, and then just simply grab one of the boxes and stretch the tooth just a little bit out to maybe the halfway position. Highlight the other tooth and do the exact same thing. And we'll have this closed here in about a second. Once we have the gap closed, simply hit your side by side, and it's really that easy to give them a good idea of what they might look like with the diastema closed up. Once you've completed these transformations, let me show you some of the built-in features that are built into the Patient Gallery program. The first one would be with the press of a button, you can email these photos instantly to any patient, anytime. I just simply press the email button, and as you can see, these turn these instantly into JPEG files to be attached to any email. If you don't want to email and you want to export out these images to be attached to something else or pre-printed later, it's as simple as pressing one button. These images would now go to any folder that you wanted, and it's that easy. And of course, you're going to want to be able to print. Just simply hit the print button. The printer will turn on, and this would produce a great looking images of before and afters, just like you see on the screen here. Imagine being able to give these patients their before and after picture with your name and phone number on the printout. I know this works as a great marketing tool. I've seen it work over and over again. Well, I think this gives you a good idea of what the how powerful Patient Gallery is, and some of the functions that are built in, and how easy it is to use. Let's take a look at the cost of what Patient Gallery is going to run. Okay, let's take a look at the internet special we're running on Patient Gallery right now. The special would include, of course, the Cosmetic software with a single user license. We would also include our Smile library would be included. Also included would be the extraction library, and this has been specially designed just for dental offices. This program also includes the camera support, scanning support, full installation, and unlimited training and technical support is included in this. Also, 1 year's worth of software updates. Everything out the door would be a total investment of $2,990. There would be no sales tax, free shipping, and as our way to say thank you, we are also giving away a free Canon camera, a free patient education DVD, and we've arranged for a beautiful backdrop so you could take some beautiful pictures of your patients. A lot of the doctors that we've worked with end up financing this. You can get this entire program installed, everything out the door that we just talked about, for only $65 a month. And as a marketing tool, if you were producing before and after pictures for your patients, I don't know how it couldn't pay for itself over and over and over again. I've seen this go into some of the practices and it completely transform their practice, bringing in a ton more of cosmetic cases. If you kind of agree with that, we'd love to chat with you. I can be reached at 800-869-0915. Again, that's 800-869-0915. And thank you again for your time.